Make my day. Pump up the jam, pump it up while your feet are stumping. And the jam is bumping. Look at it.
This Thursday, we got some farm fresh spinach and we're gonna make our very own spinach pesto. So stick around to find out how that turns out. You guys, make your own pesto. I think we might use all of this.
Yeah.
And don't forget to like and subscribe. All this safety stuff, I mean, what, I gotta be safe? This is crazy.
What? I can't add my fingers into it?
So let's get cooking.
Spinach pesto.
Yes.
Interesting.
Right.
So where's the inspiration from this one?
Well, we did the pesto egg.
Which
so
is really good.
it really was. So we kind of got inspired to make our own pesto.
That's right. And why did we choose spinach instead of basil?
Because we got it in our CSA box.
And I don't know if you can tell our little basil plant. There's not many leaves on it.
Yep.
Would make a lot of pesto.
Looking a little bare, and we might need a new pot for him too.
We need to feed our plant.
Yeah, we do. But
All right, so yes, we got the spinach from an awesome CSA. Really fresh. We've actually did an arugula pesto.
oh, that was so good.
And yeah, that really was. We put it on pasta.
Yeah,
And
and
then
like a green spaghetti.
pan-seared some salmon to go with it. It was,
Although we didn't use spaghetti, so I guess it's not
no,
spaghetti.
yeah, we used fettuccine.
Yeah, but it was still awesome.
Delicious. So
Actually, I think it was better.
now we got spinach.
Yeah. So we've got about 2 to 3 cups of spinach, actually.
Yeah,
We're gonna add to our food processor.
that's right.
Just go ahead and get that in there. There's a little bit of basil in here too, but
Yeah, because we like to bring a familiarity
yeah,
of pesto.
exactly. We don't want it to just be only spinach.
No.
We've also got some pine nuts that we toasted.
And it's important to toast them. Get
It
a lot
is.
better flavor.
Yeah, it won't. It's definitely not the same flavor without it. And then yeah, we need some zest from a lemon. Let's go ahead and get that in there. Man, I tell you what, I'm hungry too, and I'm excited about this.
Oh, I am too.
I love me some pesto
I have been starving for this.
all day.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Well, then also, did you say some
Yeah.
lemon juice?
Yeah, we need some juice in there too.
All right.
About half an ounce, tablespoon, or half a lemon.
Yes, and I'm trying to catch all the seeds.
Yeah, worst case, we'll blend them up.
And now my hands will smell fresh.
Yes, they will. We've also got some cojita cheese.
Yes, and the reason for cojita is, I guess, if you haven't seen, we were doing Cinco de Mayo recipes, and we had to buy a pound bag, and we're not going to be wasteful. And this cheese is very similar to Parmesan. I know some Italian people are like, "What are you thinking?"
Yeah, that's not pesto.
But it is very similar. So if you do have it, and it is really good. We tried it with the arugula pesto,
Yeah,
and it turned out really good. It's a nice salty little cheese. Just
really
like
did.
Parmesan.
and then we've got some garlic too.
All right.
Boom, boom, boom.
That was actually one clove just cut into.
A bunch of different pieces. That's a big old clove.
Yes, it is.
Wow. Okay, are we forgetting anything? I don't think
Salt,
so.
pepper.
Yeah, we got salt, pepper.
Yeah,
we got
cheese.
we got it all in there.
Okay, well, let's get it going.
All right. All this safety stuff. I mean, what? I gotta be safe. This is crazy.
I can't add my fingers into it.
Okay, so queso.
Just
We're on
on
that
that
side. Cool. Just gonna cover that hole.
Yeah.
And we're going to get this nice and chopped up and blended good because we want it to be a nice consistency
Yeah,
before
well-
we start adding too much
Well,
oil.
you just want to kind of break it down just a little bit.
Yeah.
You don't want to get it like completely pulverized.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it'll be way too thin. You just want to break up some of that garlic, chop down the big spinach leaves. So like 3-4 pulses.
Cool.
That looks good.
Yeah. Look at that.
All right.
And now we've got pesto. I'm just kidding. We got some oil.
Yes, and again, this is to about 1/3 to 1/2 cup
It's gonna
If
come
you like
pretty
it a
slow
little
out
more-
of this.
oil. Well, I can pull this off. I think.
Maybe. Oh, cool.
There you go.
Yeah.
Be careful. It'll come out now. It'll come out fast.
Trying to see how much I got in there.
We're gonna have to go get some more oil.
We
after
might.
this.
We might actually have to because I think we might use all of this.
Yeah.
All right. Here we go.
Yep.
What do you think?
Can't really see very well.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's about perfect.
Yeah, I think so. Ooh,
Let's
you
just
do
do it.
smell
Ooh,
that?
that smells really good.
Gotta rev up the engines.
That's right.
Look
All
at this.
that power.
Uh-huh.
Ooh, that smells good.
Oh, no kidding, dude. That smells like really good.
Perfect consistency. All right, I got you a little bowl to pour it out in.
Yeah, definitely gonna need a spatula.
Oh yeah, that looks good, man. If
Wow.
you were here, that fragrant, it's so fragrant.
It is.
From the spinach and the garlic and that oil.
It's crazy.
I am excited
Man.
about that.
And I'm so surprised people don't make more people don't make their own pestos.
It's so easy.
I mean-
and especially if you have a little garden and you grow your own basil, or if you get arugula and you have some leftover arugula and you're like, what do I do with it? Man, make some pesto.
That's right.
I'm ready to try this, guy.
Me too. Here we go.
Okay. Cheers to that spinach
Cheers.
pesto. Mmm. Dude, that's really good.
That's an awesome pesto.
That is banging.
That's a great recipe.
Well, I just have an idea.
Yes. What is this idea?
Well, everybody usually does pesto on pasta and something. But, you know, I thought making some kind of breakfast wraps.
Now, hey, speaking
Some
of that,
eggs, chicken, and some tortillas.
yes, let's do that.
All right. We already went ahead and scrambled up some eggs, and we got some little roasted chicken to go with it.
Oh yeah,
Oh, that's
look at that.
good. Throw
Got
out
some
some.
tortillas.
All right. I like, and this is a simple, just quick little scrambled egg, and of course a little rotisserie chicken. And it's supposed to be a good, more of a healthy breakfast.
Yeah.
Instead of using sausage or something like bacon, fatty, we're gonna do the eggs, the pesto, and I think
Yep.
it'll turn out really good.
Oh, it's gonna. With that pesto, you're not gonna go wrong.
Just gonna spread it on.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
Yeah, you're not gonna be shy with it. This is
Come
good,
on.
healthy spinach.
We want that flavor.
Throw down some
Oh yeah.
chicken.
That's some of that rotisserie chicken.
Yes, can't beat that. And of course,
Last week we made some chicken bone broth.
yes. Actually, I'm gonna save this carcass and make some more.
Yep, because you can always use some bone broth.
That's right. And if you're not using it right then, put it in the freezer.
Yep, save it for later.
Ooh.
Ooh, for those winter soups.
Or if you don't feel good, you get a cold, or
That's right.
there we go.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Man. Woo-wee. Oh yeah, I'm excited about this.
Look at that.
Ooh, look
Nice
at
little
that.
green.
Show them up there. Look at that.
I like that. That looks good.
Yeah.
All right. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
I've been waiting for this. Wow, that's good. This pesto is awesome.
Yeah.
Perfect breakfast wrap.
Guys, make your own pesto. This is awesome. This is like the third or fourth time in the past 2 weeks we've made our own pesto.
And it's a great way to use ingredients in different ways, like spinach, arugula.
Your flavorful leafies.
Yeah, pretty much you can do it with almost any green.
Yeah.
I mean, in your basic pesto, olive oil, pine nuts, but you could try cashews. I've even seen some toasted walnuts. Some cheese, a hard cheese. You don't always have to use Parmesan. You can use different hard cheeses. You get different fun flavors.
That's
Mix
right.
and mingle.
Yeah. And you can make breakfast burritos,
Yeah.
brunch. You can make the pesto egg. You can just eat that on a piece of cracker or with a spoon.
I know, kidding.
I mean, come on.
Oh, that's a good job. Well, I got to make some more of these, so that means y'all got to go.
Yep. So don't forget to keep it trendy.
Yeah. But of course, that is
Whoa.
like real farm
Sorry.
spinach.
A little more, get the